Hey guys, good morning. So I just had a customer ask me, hey Randy, how do you put on LC40 quick connects on my cables? He's young, new in the business, and he felt kind of bad asking. I said, dude, don't feel bad asking. We've all been there. Let me show you. I'll make a video and I'll post it. So let me show you what we got here. Now, there's a real quick overview of what you're going to be kind of phase one all the way through finished phase. Now, it's really important to know. These are Lencos, Tweecos. It don't matter who makes them, whatever brand they make. They're going to have one that's going to have a female and then a male side. You make sure, youngsters, make sure this female side is the one that's connected to your leads that's running back to your welding machine. Don't put this one on the one that's on your welding machine. This one is the one that goes on your whip or your stinger. The reason is when you fire your welding machine up, that plug right there now becomes hot if it's on the welding machine side. And that's the last thing you want to do is have a hot arcing and sparking. It's just like taking and leaving the cable bare just hanging out there. So, all right, so here we go. Real quick qualifier, all you old timers, please don't make ugly comments. It's burned. Yes, youngsters, that's supposed to be bright copper. These cables are old, so I had no problem with cutting them up and using them. So what you're going to do is, this is coming from the welding machine side, okay? And then from here forward, you would have just your whip, and that would be the other side of the quick connect. Make a good, nice 90-degree cut. Come in and trim it back 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Then you're going to take your female side, slip your cable in. Make sure you get all the little strands in there. But before you do that, make sure you put your insulator on first. Otherwise, you'll be taking it off and going backwards. Take your nut, put it in. Don't put that in yet. Once you get your Allen head screw tightened down real well with your Allen head, slip this up. This is what you'll end up looking like, right? And if you look in here, this is important to know. Again, if you look right in here, there's the screw hole. But that screw hole will also line up right there. But look what we've just done. We've just created a hot lug. So make sure that lug, that copper brass lug slides all, or copper lug, brass lug, whatever it is, slides all the way down in there, and you hit that second hole. Once you get that down there, it's going to look like this. Go ahead and put your screw in, tighten her down real good, put a little cranking on her. Tools that you'll need for this may or may not be supplied with your deal, your set of Lencos or quick connects. Typically they don't get supplied, but it's not an uncommon size. And then a flathead screwdriver. There you go, folks. If you have any comments or questions or anything else, please leave them below. Just leave a little comment or question there below here, and I'll try to get back around to it. Old timers and smart asses, this is a note to y'all. Please encourage these young people. I know some of this stuff is kind of crazy to hear because we've been doing it for a while, but we were all there once, and so let's not discourage people from asking questions. Let's teach, let's help, let's try to educate. So please keep the buttholiness to yourself, because we don't need to show the young people how to get there before it's time. Anyways, thank you for watching. Leave me a question, leave comments if you have anything, and if you got any other comments or questions about Alumareel, just check us out on the net, www.alumareel.net. That's how you do it right there, folks. Say bye. Bye.